6:02. Let's go ahead and take a live look at the White House this morning as ABC 15 continues to track the latest reaction after a federal court decided to block President Donald Trump from imposing those sweeping tariffs.
The judge's rulings that Congress has the power to impose tariffs, not the president. We know this could have an impact on Wall Street. We'll be monitoring that once the opening bell happens right around 6:30.
For now, let's go ahead and turn to ABC 15's Jamie Warren, who is live right now. Jamie, what comes next after a move like this, and how are Arizona leaders reacting?
Well, Nick and Megan, this has already been appealed by the Trump administration. So right now there's a lot of uncertainty this morning on how exactly this is all going to play out in court and the direct impact this will have. But if this holds up, I wanted to check to see the impact it could have on the prices you pay at the grocery store or the items that you buy off of Amazon, for example. And what this order specifically does is it stops those 30% tariffs that were imposed on items from China. So we're talking furniture, clothing, toys. The 25% tariffs on Mexico, so fruits and veggies that we get, also on Canada, and then the 10% universal tariffs on most items coming here into the U.S. It does not stop those 25% tariffs that the president placed on the cars that you buy, auto parts, anything made with steel and aluminum. In fact, we've already heard from some automakers that say they will be raising prices because of that. Now, the president has said that these tariffs would be a good thing by forcing more factory jobs back here into the U.S., but companies, as we have mentioned, has said that they would be forced to raise prices in return. So if this holds up in court, economists are saying that this could actually be a major relief for some businesses and even consumers. Of course, that means your money in the long run, but we will just have to continue to wait and see how exactly this will play out. I'll send things back to you.
Yeah, Jamie, we know that leaders across Arizona have been sounding off about these tariffs for the past few months. What are you hearing now that the court made this decision?
Right. So Arizona Attorney General Chris Mace, she actually was spearheading this lawsuit against the Trump administration over these emergency powers that he implemented in order to enact these tariffs. And we did get a statement from her to ABC 15. I want to read it to you. It reads in part, quote, "Attacks on Arizona families and businesses were poised to devastate our state's economy. I will continue to fight for affordability for Arizonans and against President Trump's illegal abuses of power," end quote. We have also heard from Arizona Congressman Greg Stanton, who has also been very vocal against these tariffs. He said that this decision is a win for Arizona families and businesses. So far, those are the two leaders here in our state that we have heard direct reactions from about this. But of course, we're going to wait to see as more reactions pour in, and we'll be updating you as we learn more from our local leaders. Nick and Megan.
Yeah, we know those reactions. They're definitely coming. This is a hot topic for sure. And we got about 25 minutes or so before the markets open. So we'll see how they react too. Jamie, thank you.